AI tool that's going to help you generate text to video, text to image, text to speech right now.
Come and buy my food.
Guys,
It's
look at the
very
videos on my screen.
sweet.
These videos were actually generated by an AI tool that is free. Yes, this time around, when I say free, I mean free. Okay, this AI tool is super free, and you will not get any copyright report for using these videos. You don't have any watermarks. These videos don't have watermarks. Like, look at the videos on my screen, all generated by this tool for free, without watermark and without copyright reports right now. I don't know, maybe in the long run, but right now, no copyright. So you can use the tool for free. This AI tool is super easy to use, super easy to navigate, which I'll be teaching you on how to download this tool, how to register on this tool, and how to work on this tool. Okay, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share, and do not forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to review for you, or the next AI tool you want me to teach you how to use. Hi, my name is Okobuchi. I teach you how to use AI tools. Let's go into this one. Let me teach you how it is used properly. Let's go. So first thing first, what you need to do is you come to your App Store or your Google Play Store. So you can use it on Android or iPhone, okay? Type in, you go to your App Store. Once you get to your App Store or your Apple Store, which one you're using, click on search, and then you type in the Grok AI, okay? Grok AI. So once you type in the Grok AI, you click on your search bar and then you wait for it. So here, this is it. You can see it here with the black something. You click on it. Let's install it to our phone. I'll open this. You click on allow, and let this allow. Now continue with Google, or you can continue with this. I'll click on continue with Google. Click on continue. You choose the email that you want to use. So let's choose an email. Okay. So you can see me signing up, okay? Now, after the sign up, you have this. Okay? This is how it looks like. You all see, I have walked you through the process of registration, signing in, and everything. Now, you have the voice mode. You have the create video. You have open camera, which means you can actually open a camera and record as well. You have edit image. You have analyze documents. You have customize Grok. So you have everything here. Okay, now here you have they say create a video. You can create a video, you can create an image. Up here you can see ask, imagine. When you click on imagine up here where it says ask, imagine, right at the top, let's click on imagine. When you click on imagine, it brings you here. Now, how do you create an image? First off, to create your image, down here you can see type to imagine. So you're typing to imagine, which means you're bringing in your prompt. Okay, so let's say you have in a prompt and you want to bring in to get your image before you turn the image into video, right? So I'll go first. I'll go get a prompt for us. So let's go to ChatGPT. Let me get your prompt. For those who don't know how to create prompt, let's go to ChatGPT. If you already know the image that you want to create, is a good thing. So I'm coming to ChatGPT. If you already know an image to create, good thing. So I'll just say, give me a prompt of a movie scene of a scared lady in the dark forest. Okay, so I'll click on that and I'll wait for ChatGPT to give me a prompt. Okay, so this is my prompt. There you go. That's the prompt. First thing first, I'll click on this and I'll copy it. Copy your prompt, copy, and I'll take it back to our app, to the Grok app. I want to actually see how this app is good in generating. Reason why I got a real-time prompt. I did not just want to write 1 or 2 words to get the image. I want to see how it goes perfectly. So I'll click on this to generate this image and wait. So we wait for it to get us this image. Oh, okay. Makes sense. All right. So we talked about scared, and they're giving you different ones. You see? They're giving you different images that you can actually use. In a forest, if you're scared, I think I'm loving this. So let's open this image and see which one will be taken. Let's open this image and see which one will be taken. Let's see. So let's say I got scared. This one looks more scared. Okay, now down here, once you have your image, all you need to do is to click here to save. Down here, you can see the save button. Click here, allow. You let it save to your phone. Okay, so that has been saved. Now we have this already in. This is our image that we've created, and you've downloaded this image. Now you can go ahead and check in your gallery if you saved this image. Yes, they are saved in my gallery. So we go back to the app. Now we have the app here. The next thing I need to do is to try the video section of this tool. Now there are different methods to do this. You can see down here, make a video. You can make a video with this image immediately. Okay, now if you do not want to make a video with this image, for me, I always like to see how the images work. Okay, how your prompts get to work. So I don't like to do exactly what the app wants us to do, but I always like to tweak my thing, so I should see how good the app can be. Okay, you all know I'm that one person who wants to show you how AI works, and I want to do it perfectly well. So what I'll do here is I'll bring in where down here it says type to imagine. I'll click on the plus button, and then I'll bring in this image. Now I'll bring in the image. The image is up, okay, and it's generating. We are waiting for it to go because I want it to go into a video. Now once you just click up your video, your image, it uploads already, and it start turning automatically. Down here you can see 97 days, you see. Okay, so that's it. I took this girl with the glowy eyes and all that. So this is the first one. Now I'll go to the second one. So now for the talking part, wanting your images to talk or wanting your videos to talk. Now let's just type a scene and then we make the person talk, okay? Make the character talk, because I know a lot of people want that. Now at this point, I'll say, create me a lady in the market. So let's say in the market, selling, let's say selling fish, okay, yeah, or selling food. Let's say food, selling cooked food. I'll use cooked food. Okay, now we have this. Now the thing is, let me use African lady, because yeah. Now after this, I'll click on generate. Let's generate the image first. Then we'll turn the image into a video. So this is what they actually gave us. Is this puff puff? Okay, I don't know, but yeah, they gave us this. Akara. Guys, is this not akara? Anyways, let's move on. So now after you have these images, the funniest thing is, the good thing is they give you different images with almost the same character, like the old person, the younger version of the person, which means your consistent character here works for you. You can actually generate one image and take like 5 different images of the person, and then you make a story out of it, which is perfect for me. Okay, now at this point, let's choose our character. So I'll look for a character that is visible and the mouth is visible. So try this out. Now first thing first, what we need to do is here you click on make the video first. Okay, you make the video first. So I'll click here to make the video. Now wait for the video to generate as a video, okay, before we turn it into talking. So yeah, and again down here you can see where it says speak. If you don't know how to type, for those who don't know how to type, because not be everybody goes school, right? If you don't know how to type, you can click on speak and use voiceover. So you command this app with voiceover. You see what the lady is doing. Now you click on redo. After you get your video, right? We got our video. Click on redo. Where you see redo, click on redo. When you click on redo, they'll say custom speech, spicy, fun, normal. I'll click on speech. Now they say something. You type what you want this person to say. Okay, let's just say, I'll say come. I'll write come and buy my food. My food is very sweet. It's very sweet. Okay, so come and buy my food is very sweet. Then we click on generate again. We click on generate. Why? We are waiting for it to generate. So you can see it there, 10%. We wait for it to generate. Okay, So I'll wait for it to generate, then I'll bring it, I'll show you. So let's just wait. We give it some time. Guys, this is very, very important. I don't know, but there's no app that does everything in one like this for free. For free. Don't forget to subscribe. Do not forget to share. Do not forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to review for you, or the next AI tool you want me to teach you how to do it. Share, comment, and yeah. So we wait for this to...
Very sweet.
Oh, I removed the volume. Okay, let's hear it.
Came and buy my food is very sweet.
Okay, like, so you see, the voiceover
Came
is
and buy my
perfect.
food is very sweet.
So voiceover is perfect, very perfect, and everything is good. So this is good for me. An AI tool that is free and can give you this, bro. This is a game changer. So yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Use this tool and tag me in your comment section to come and watch and comment and share. Bye.